Most people think they can download Dave, tap a button, and instantly get a cash advance. But here's the truth, no one tells you. In 2026, qualifying for Dave ExtraCash is much stricter than many users expect. The biggest mistake people make is assuming income alone guarantees approval. It doesn't. Dave looks at several account behaviors before deciding whether you qualify and how much you can actually borrow. In this video, I'll explain exactly what Dave ExtraCash checks in 2026, why some users get denied immediately, how people increase their limits over time, and the fastest way to improve your chances of approval. And later, I'll show you the one banking mistake that quietly lowers limits for thousands of users. So first, let's answer the main question right away. To qualify for Dave ExtraCash in 2026, you typically need a linked checking account, recent income deposits, account activity history, and a positive balance pattern. Dave also analyzes spending habits and repayment reliability. This is not like applying for a traditional bank loan. Dave usually doesn't rely heavily on hard credit checks. Instead, the app focuses more on your banking behavior and cash flow consistency. For example, imagine John gets paid every Friday through direct deposit. His account stays positive most weeks, and he uses his checking account regularly for bills and purchases. Dave sees stable activity and may approve him for an advance. Now, compare that to Alex, who rarely uses his bank account, gets inconsistent deposits, and frequently overdrafts. Even if Alex earns decent money, Dave may see higher repayment risk and deny the advance. This is where most people fail. They focus only on income amount instead of account stability. Now here's where it gets interesting. Direct deposit matters a lot more than many users realize. In 2026, Dave strongly prefers accounts with recurring direct deposits from employers or predictable income sources. Without that consistency, your chances of approval often drop significantly. Some users can still qualify without traditional payroll deposits, especially gig workers, but limits are usually smaller. And this leads to one of the most common questions online. How much can you actually get? Dave ExtraCash limits vary by user. New users may start with smaller amounts like $25 to $100. Users with stronger account history and stable deposits can sometimes qualify for much higher limits over time. But here's the problem. People see advertisements mentioning large maximum amounts and assume everyone gets approved for that number. That's almost never true for brand new users. In a minute, I'll explain how people actually increase their Dave limits faster without damaging their accounts. First, you need to understand how the app evaluates risk. Dave analyzes several things behind the scenes. Deposit frequency, detail, average balance, spending patterns, churns, overdraft history, recent negative balances, and even whether your paycheck timing looks predictable. For example, Jake receives $2,000 every 2 weeks and maintains a few $100s in his account regularly. Dave sees predictable behavior. Meanwhile, Chris gets random deposits from multiple side gigs and often ends the week near zero. Dave may offer him a smaller limit because repayment confidence is lower. Now, let's talk about subscriptions and fees because this confuses many people. Dave is not completely free. The app usually charges a small monthly membership fee to access certain services, including ExtraCash features. Then there are optional express transfer fees if you want money instantly. This is where many users accidentally spend more than expected. For example, Sarah borrows $50 several times monthly and pays instant transfer charges every time. Even though each fee feels small individually, the total cost adds up over time. That's why understanding speed options matters. Standard transfers are usually cheaper or free but may take longer depending on your bank. Express transfers cost extra but deliver funds much faster. Now here's the one mistake that quietly destroys approval odds. Frequent overdrafts. If your checking account repeatedly goes negative, Dave's system may interpret that as financial instability. Even a decent paycheck may not offset constant overdraft patterns. This is why some users with lower incomes still qualify, while higher earners get denied. The algorithm cares about consistency more than flashy income numbers. Now let's answer Another important question. Can self-employed workers qualify? Yes, sometimes. Gig workers, freelancers, and independent contractors can still qualify if income deposits look regular enough. For example, recurring deposits from Uber, DoorDash, Fiverr, or similar platforms may help establish consistent cash flow. But here's the challenge. Irregular earnings make risk analysis harder for the app. So if your freelance income varies heavily month to month, your limit may fluctuate too. Now, let's talk about how users increase their Dave Extra Cash limit fast. The first step is maintaining steady direct deposits. The second is avoiding overdrafts whenever possible. Third, keep your checking account active. Regular transactions help show the system you actually use the account consistently. And fourth, repay advances on time without failed repayment attempts. This is where patient users usually win. For example, John starts with a $75 limit. He receives steady payroll deposits for several months, avoids overdrafts, and repays advances smoothly. Over time, Dave gradually raises his available amount. But here's where people sabotage themselves. They constantly switch banks, unlink accounts, or leave accounts nearly empty after every paycheck. That behavior increases risk signals. Now here's where it gets really important. Dave is not meant to replace emergency savings. A lot of people start relying on cash advance apps every pay cycle. They borrow before payday, repay automatically, then immediately borrow again. That creates a dangerous dependency loop. And honestly, this happens more often than most people admit. The app can help during temporary emergencies. Maybe your tire blows out before payday. Maybe you need groceries after an unexpected bill. In situations like that, extra cash can be useful. But if you need advances every single week just to survive, the deeper issue is probably income gaps or spending imbalance. Now let's compare Dave briefly to other apps because viewers always ask this. Compared to Earnin, Dave usually has a smaller mandatory membership structure. Compared to Bridget, approval requirements can feel slightly more flexible for some users. Compared to Current or Chime MyPay, maximum limits may vary depending on payroll patterns. But no single app is best for everyone. Some users value fast funding. Others care about higher limits. Others want lower fees. So instead of asking, which app is best? The smarter question is, which app fits your banking habits best? Now let's address something important about security. Dave connects directly to your bank account to analyze activity and process repayments. The company uses encrypted systems similar to many financial apps. Still, you should always monitor transactions carefully and enable extra security protections on your accounts. Now here's the bottom line about qualifying for Dave Extra Cash in 2026. You usually need steady account activity, reliable income deposits, a linked checking account, and relatively stable banking behavior. Direct deposit helps a lot. Avoiding overdrafts helps even more. And repayment consistency matters long-term. The people who struggle most with approval are usually the ones with unstable deposit patterns, repeated negative balances, or accounts that look risky to the algorithm. So if you're trying to qualify, focus less on gaming the system and more on improving your banking consistency. That's what actually increases approval odds over time. If this video helped you understand how Dave Extra Cash qualification really works, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your experience using Paycheck Advance apps. And if you want to see which Cash Advance app currently offers the biggest limits with the fewest fees in 2026, check out the next video.